So keep on experimenting, keep on validating the results at regular intervals. Try to compare your analysis with existing ones. Then you can say that, yes, sir, I am moving in the right direction.
So doctor, I want to ask you, like I am doing research. So one of the things that goes into my mind is, am I doing it in the right way? So what is the actual way? What is the correct way to do a research?
Sir, this is a very broad question, but I would like to give you a simple answer.
Mhm.
Now, first of all, I would like to ask you that what according to you is a research. Many people say, okay, let's do a PhD, let's take a problem, let's try to solve a problem, let's publish something and let's get a degree. This is a research. But first of all, we should have an outlook that what exactly is research. Before, I would like to answer your question that, sir, how to do quality research? We should first of all understand what exactly is the direction of research, what exactly is called a research.
Mhm.
According to me, yeah, or you can say according to the whole of the word, research, if you talk of quality researchers, research means that you are not only writing the paper. Writing the paper is just to give a shape that what exactly is being solved.
Mhm.
Research means that you are having a problem which is actually going to change the living things. You can say some living problems. Like suppose daily we have lots of gadgets in our home. Before we don't have, it was a problem. Like suppose if you talk of refrigerator today, there was a time when we don't have refrigerator, we have to find some way to cool the water. So refrigerator was a research in order to solve that problem. So research, according to me, is basically a methodology in order how to solve a particular problem. Now,
Okay.
coming to your
Okay.
question that how
Mhm.
you should do effective research. Now, there are two aspects. Whether you are doing a research in order to propose actually a solution for the first time for a problem, or you are actually improving like an innovation to an existing problem. Like
Mhm.
suppose you are making your own new fast car, or you are improving a particular car with improvement in the engine. So the question stands, if you really want to do quality research, the only answer is that first of all, go for a step-by-step methodology. Consult the experts. And the most important thing is validate your results. Do
Mhm.
research in real-time critical solution. Try to make some prototype.
Mhm.
Find that what exactly is the problem and how your direction is actually giving some solution to that problem. Now, coming to your quality research, and as a researcher, like if you talk of PhD scholars, they always talk that, sir, are we moving to the right direction? I always tell them, first of all, are you proposing something and are you proving that before writing any paper, that is your research giving you some concrete answer that you can prove that your
Mhm.
analysis is better than existing? So there are two directions, whether you are proposing a new thing or whether you are
Mhm.
improving a particular thing. So you
Okay.
have to find the methodology, you have to find the steps, consult the experts, and of
Mhm.
course, time to time, keep on validating the results. Like
Mhm.
suppose I would like to give you another question. Like suppose now we all know that the world is under pandemic, COVID-19. And even we all know that some pharmaceutical companies have given the results. They are into clinical trial, but some dummy medicines have also come. So we have to do the research that exactly we have to study the body vitals, that how this COVID starts, how the COVID is infecting the body, and how we should maintain the medicine in order to cut that symptoms down. So we have to
Mhm.
follow step-by-step methodology and we have to keep on regenerating the results. So
Mhm.
that's the answer. So you can see there is also a movie called The Manhattan Experiment, where a student who was enthusiastic with nuclear science, he wants to make a good project. But you know
Mhm.
what he made? He just made a private and a small nuclear weapon. So
Mhm.
the only thing is that he wants to solve a problem. He wants to cut down the size of a nuclear bomb, and he made a particular nuclear bomb at its own site. The only thing is that he was clinically testing the chemicals. He was clinically testing the small bombs, making the bigger bomb. And then he was able to prove themselves that he was moving in the right direction. So keep on experimenting, keep on validating the results at regular intervals. Try to compare your analysis with existing ones. Then you can say that, yes, sir, I am moving in the right direction.
Mhm. That's good. That's
Actually,
good.
quality research is different thing. I believe that in quality research, the question should be that how we can assure that we are moving in the right direction. That
Mhm.
means that you are actually moving in the right direction. Naturally, your quality is 100%. Nobody can touch it.
That's great. That's great. Thank you so much for this answer. Thank you.